Hey YouTube, it's me, Quick Cash 99, and Jordan, whatever. I'm gonna be beatboxing today. I started a new channel. This is gonna be way better, and yeah, this is my first video on this channel. So make sure to comment, rate, subscribe, like it, rate it, whatever. Tell your friends about me, Quick Cash 99, and add me on PS3. It's Quick Cash 99. It's there will be a tag in the bottom that has my name or whatever. I'll put it in the comments. But yeah, and this song goes out to my friend Angel Perez. He's pretty cool. He called me frog because my beatbox, my thing comes out, my throat expands like a frog. So I came up with this beatbox called frog bass. So yeah, it goes like this. Now here comes the frog bass, and with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, yo, DJ, get a party pumping, whoop, yo, DJ, DJ, put it up, whoop, put it up, whoop, whoop, put it up, whoop, put it up, whoop, put it up. Peace. Oh yeah, and make sure to comment, rate, subscribe, like I said in the beginning, and I'm running out of time, but yeah, and you know, like I said, comment, rate, subscribe, do all that, tell your friends about me, and yeah, peace.